Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of slowing growth in the US and expanding growth in Europe. US home resales volumes dialed back more than expected in October, with larger falls in regions which have experienced the biggest price gains. The pace of their housing market recovery may be slowing after strong gains earlier this year, but prices are still rising. The median price is now $219,000, 6% above the same month a year ago. Following a modest rebound in October, the latest flash US factory PMI has come in lower. In fact, its lowest level in 2 years. Their factory sector is still expanding, just not at the heady pace of a year ago. The fast-rising US dollar is having a noticeable restraint on export orders. In contrast, the latest Eurozone factory PMI is expanding faster, now at a 19-month high. If you add in services, their overall economic expansion is now at a 4-year high. Gains were led by Germany, they lag in France. And staying in Europe, a lab test carried out for a British TV show shows that Volkswagen diesel cars use their defeat device to cheat official European pollution tests as well as those in the US. This dramatically widens VW's problems. If you see a German car flashing a TDI badge, you know it is a dirty diesel, and there are plenty in New Zealand. We should also note that there's been a change of government in Argentina, and there's likely to be a change of economic direction as well. The polarising Kirchners are out, a centre-right government is in. And in China, there's a growing squeeze on corporate debt, even investment-grade debt. Yields are rising following a surprise failure of a cement maker, and bond placements are drying up as markets reassess risks. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield benchmark is unchanged, however, at 2.26%. The US benchmark oil price is slightly higher, now just over $42 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is just on $45 a barrel. But the gold price is lower, now at $1,069 an ounce. New Zealand dollar starts today at 65.1 US cents after the greenback rose strongly as the Fed rate hike gets closer. Against the Aussie, we're at 90.5 Aussie cents, and against the euro at 61.3 euro cents. The TWI is at 70.9. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.